Hello, dear friend. This is Sharon from DoveProxy. As we know, DoveProxy has the stablest and cleanest mobile proxy within 30 minutes. The online rate of half an hour is more than 96%. DoveProxy's mobile proxy is highly anonymous, and the cleanest is more than 95%. So the pass rate of access is higher to keep your data safe, clean, and reliable. DoveProxy has 180 million mobile IPs. DoveProxy's mobile proxy IP features is designed specifically for data crawling and market survey, support high concurrency IP acquirement, and is at high rotating speed, available with the high concurrency packages. So today, I will show you how to apply DoveProxy's mobile proxy by high concurrency. You can visit DoveProxy's official website by clicking our website after you sign up and become a user. Then you get your username and password to log in. Now we come to the dashboard. Now we click the mobile proxy section. We can see that the default proxy types is mobile proxy. Then we click the application scenario. There are 4 access methods. Choose high concurrency. If you need high concurrency mode, please contact with me first before you buy the package. That's because before the high concurrency package is purchased, the page will not show any purchase. It will only show after your purchase. Okay, after we log in, we can see the dashboard. The proxy types, by default, it is mobile proxy. And then we click application scenario. There are 4 access methods. We choose and click the high concurrency. Now let's have a look at the different packages. We click Buy Packages. There are 3 packages: the traffic package, concurrency package, and channel package. We click Concurrency package. The high concurrency package, it is available for business like the data crawling, market research, etc. Supports high concurrency, fast IP switching, and the package comes with traffic. The IP in the package will not be repeated within 3 hours. So now we supply 5 packages from package A, package B, package C, package D, and package E. You can see the parameters. For example, let's have a look at page A. Origin it is global. IP type it is mobile proxy. Number of ports it is 1000. Number of IPs it is 144,000. Concurrency 500. Time it means the valid time for the concurrency. We have different choices for you. 1 day, 7 day, 30 day, 180 day. Different time, different price, and traffic. Yeah. For these parameters, 1 day, the pricing it is $25, and the traffic it is 5 gigabytes. And then you can click Buy Now. If you need 7 days, then you switch to 7 day, and the price it is 175, and the traffic it is 35 gigabytes. It's the same with 30 days and 180 days. So we especially have package E for region in Indonesia. And the concurrency, it is 100. Number of IPs, it is 72,000. Number of ports, it is 100. And one day, the price is $15 for 3 GB. 7 days, it is $105 for 21 GB. Okay, for example, you choose package 1, then you click Buy Now. The first step is choose a payment method for your convenience. You can choose a payment method. You can choose traditional payment and digital currency payment. For example, we choose the traditional payment Alipay. We click Alipay and then click Next Step button. For the second step, it is for you to confirm the recharge amount. Please note, because Alipay handling fee is too high, an additional 2% handling fee will be charged. After you confirm, please click the Create the Order button. So this is a QR code for you to scan to finish the Alipay. If you don't want Alipay and you want to choose another payment, you can click here. You can click this Reselect Payment Method button. And then we come back to the first step. So if now you want to pay by PayPal, you can click PayPal. Click Next Step button. Because the PayPal transaction fee is very high, we will pay half of the PayPal transaction fee for you. So this is also our promotion. You can consider PayPal if you like. And then you click OK. Yeah, and now you can enter your email address to get started. You can click Next, or if you don't want PayPal, you can come back again. If you have digital currency payment method, you can also try Ethereum and Transcon. After purchase of the high concurrency package, as a following image, it will show all the package information: the package name, purchase name, IP types, the amount of ports, the amount of concurrency, the number of the tokens, the expire time of the package, and the package status operation. Before using high concurrency package, please click the Settings button first. This one. Click. You set up the high concurrency package protocol. You can select the protocol, HTTP or SOX5, and the high concurrency package whitelist. And then you click the Save button. After setup is finished, please click View Port button to check the port page. The page will show the API that generates IP and port. The view port output format, you can choose by JSON or by text. And then you click Get API address button. So, have you not used our mobile proxy package yet? You can start using now. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. Click here. You import your username, a password, confirm password, and select the source. You can input. You can choose by how did you find us, by Google result, forum, social media, coupon site, referral, friend, or etc. Anyway, it's okay. And your cell phone number, your email. Your email is very important because we will send you the email verification code, and then you fill in the verification code from your email, and then you click sign up, and then you have an account of DoveProxy. Welcome to log in our account. So now you can click login now and import your username and password to log in. And then you can start, and then you can see the dashboard. After you log in, you click mobile proxy section, and you can see the proxy types. It is by default mobile proxy. And then you click the application scenario. You choose the high concurrency mode. You can see the left menus, the first menu, by packages. Click concurrency package, and then you choose the package you need. And then you finish. After you finish by, you can apply DoveProxy's mobile proxy package, and then you can start. After you finish payments, you can experience and apply DoveProxy's mobile proxy by high concurrency mode. Okay, dear friend, you can know that DoveProxy is worth for you to try. Please contact me for free and reliable traffic package to try by clicking our website in the description below. You can get contacts to find me for more DoveProxy information. Okay, dear friend, this is Sharon from DoveProxy. Thank you very much for watching our tutorial video. It's better for you if you can subscribe to our YouTube at Dove IP and review our videos below. Your feedback is a great encouragement for me to show you more and better content. Thank you. See you next time.